how to change Gboard key tap sound volume on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on general management. Next, tap on Gboard settings. Then tap on preferences. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on volume. Here drag on the slider bar to change the sound. You can see at 5% it's quite low. So if I go and tap on my keyboard here, the volume is actually quite low. Here if I increase the volume up to 100%, and this time I need to tap on OK to save the changes. And this time when I tap on the key, it is rather quite loud on the keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.